down. Don't push back. Conscience under pressure.
Hello, how are you guys? How are you doing? I hope you're doing fine. In case you're new here, my name is Noel. Welcome back to this episode. If you're new here, thank you so much for subscribing to my channel. Thank you so much. For my returning subscribers, thank you so much for your endless support. Bravo. So what do we have today here? We have a mini vacation or staycation, and what's going on here is just a mini house tour of where I slept that particular day. It's a 1 bedroom, and I'm not going to explain vividly. It's just mini. It's just a snippet. So I just want you to watch till the end, because you'll get to enjoy how you'll get to see how this place is. It's called Atella. It's in Kisumu. It's a beach that was currently formed. Yeah, so enjoy, and if you wanna go, you're just gonna go and enjoy as well as I did. It was so amazing, short but very amazing. I loved the house. It was perfect, and I loved the beach, the serenity, the breeze, the food, the drinks. Everything was just exquisite. What are you waiting for, guys? Just watch the video and just push yourself a little bit. This money you're looking for, you wanna die with it? No, we're not gonna do that. So push yourself a little bit and go visit this place. Enjoy the nature, enjoy everything about it. It's just amazing. The boat ride and everything is perfect. Guys, I'm telling you, I'm not just saying, I mean it. So guys, enjoy the video till the end, and make sure you subscribe the video, like, comment, and share to your family and friends. And we are on the road to 800 subscribers, so we are just close. Make sure you do so. I love you all. Enjoy. Mwah.